where you are right now?
Masengere. I'm in Masengere.
You are in Masengere.
Mengo in Kampala in Uganda.
Here, one Waita Obwakabaka bwa Uganda, the kingdom of Uganda. This is the main choice.
Yeah.
This is the main branch. This
Sabasacha Kabaka Awangale. Obi-Wan, we need to meet each other.
Huh?
I want to meet Obi-Wan.
Olumu onsanga yeri round about sorry Kaunye mu 360 mayo ngensonga tuzikwasaganyisa kuminemu neba baddest presenter Jackson Tash. So eno nitusale ensalo ne tudda ku bintu ebikwatagana ne entertainment news ba celebrity bo socialite ono si celebrity naye nga celeb mu ngeremu obendala nti gayi mweri ali mu nsi yaffe ya Africa egaje tusobola oyita nga Uganda mwali simanyi kyakolamu era ebimu ku ebyagenda kuba tuwayisaamu ngalo engineers muguddeko ali Masengere. Do you know where you are right now?
Masengere. I'm in Masengere.
You are in Masengere.
Mengo in Kampala in Uganda.
Here, one Waita Obwakabaka bwa Uganda, the kingdom of Uganda. This is the main choice. This is the main branch. This
Sabasacha Kabaka Awangale.
You know his name?
Ronald.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. I just say Kabaka.
Okay.
Let's say Kabaka.
Sabasacha Kabaka Awangale.
Yes.
So you are here in Masengere.
Yes.
What's your name? Say hi to viewers. What's your name?
Musibia Motia, Banyabo Nyebasebo. Amanya Gange, Nse Kalibala. Kalibala.
You have one name.
Okay, my name is Ivan Kalibala.
Ivan Kalibala.
Björn Neset. Can you say it? Björn Neset.
Her name is
Björn Neset.
Björn Neseti.
Yes.
Oh,
that's my Norwegian name.
Ivan Kalibala.
Yes.
Okay, nice to meet you, my big broker, Ivan Kalibala Björn Neseti.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
I'm Ron Genius Official. Ron Genius Official. I'm an artist. I'm a journalist by professional. I work with the state final. At the same time, Fax Media Uganda.
So you're two big celebrities.
So what do you do? Hey, we are big celebrities. You're a celebrity. I'm a celebrity now.
I work at CBS Obuwoomi.
Hey, you're working with CBS Obuwoomi.
Yes.
So how do you communicate with those people? Yet I'm seeing you like fluent in English. Do you know Uganda?
A bit Uganda.
Just small. What are those small words you know in Uganda?
Of course, the greetings, and then
asking food.
Pakumere. Pakumere. Musaja. Pakumere.
Pakumere.
Yes.
Greetings.
Greetings. Yes.
Meeting like a boy or a girl, and you would wish like she can be your friend. How would you interrupt him or her in Uganda?
If I meet you, I would say Ole Otia Sebo. Bulunji Sebo, Jeboleko, Ali Sebo. Then maybe you say Ole Bulunji, Nde Bulunji. I don't know that one. What does that mean?
I want to be your friend. I would like to be your friend.
So what do I say? That's it.
Okay. Now why are you here in Masengere?
Masengere? Because of CBS Sports, I also know a lot of people at CBS Sports, CBS FM and BBS. So I've been for vacation, so now I'm going back to meet my friends.
You have come for tour to CBS the final, CBS Poyesa, CBS FM.
Yes, to meet my friends.
You have friends in Uganda?
Yeah, this is my friends. Why I came to Uganda at first place? Because I'm a student. I'm studying something called intercultural communication. Intercultural communication.
What is intercultural communication?
It's how we communicate when it's different cultures. Like a Norwegian culture and Uganda culture. It's very different.
Through different cultures.
Yes.
In Uganda, someone is in Nyankore, someone is like through that.
Yeah, so therefore I have an exchange at CBS Sports.
So why did you choose to study in Uganda that course?
Because I wanted to explore East Africa, and I heard a lot of good things about Kampala especially. So then I thought, okay.
How long have you spent in Uganda now?
3 months.
3 months.
Satu months.
How is the experience?
It's good. I love it here. So I'm already sad that I need to leave in 3 months.
What have you loved about Uganda, and where you're coming from? Which country are you like?
Norway.
You are from Norway?
Yes.
Hey, What have you liked here in Uganda? Like the thing you have seen and you feel like I've liked to read this. This is nice. This is good for me. We don't have this in our own country.
The very easy question is the people, how people are with each other. In Norway, people are very cold. They don't say real things. They don't say hi to each other. They just do their own.
People are
life.
cold. People are loving.
In Norway, they are cold and not loving. But here, people are open. They want to talk to you. All people are nice. Yeah. So it's good.
Have you got a girlfriend yet?
Not yet.
But you would wish?
Yes.
Hey.
Or I got some wives, but no girlfriends.
How many wives?
I think it's 2 now.
Hey. So why don't you choose one? How many do you want?
Maybe 2 is fine. Or maybe 3.
Hey, you want 3?
What do you think is the best?
me one is enough.
1 is enough. Or maybe 1 is good, so I should drop 1 or 2 wives. So just have
So
1.
you wanna drop 2? You remain with 1?
Yes. Because my Ugandan friends, they talk so much about it's very important as a man to have a lot of wives.
They have what?
They say it's very important to have a lot of wives. To have many wives.
Oh.
You don't think so?
Me, I think, but I'm not in your feelings. I'm not in your thinking. how
No, but on a serious note, I think one wife is good.
One wife is enough.
Yes.
How is she?
She's good.
In what? In love? In what?
In love, to joke around,
Uh-huh.
to enjoy life. That's the most important thing.
She's a black African queen.
Yes.
I think you have got your now pattern, your rib.
Hmm?
You have got your rib, like
Yes.
as God said, like every man should get his rib, right?
Yes.
Now,
I got my rib.
hey, you already got.
Yes.
So you're going to marry Uganda.
Yes. And you remember
What is the difference between this Ugandan guy with your girls there from Norway?
They have more energy.
You have which kind of energy? Ivan, which kind of energy?
Just energy in life, in general. Yes. And also confidence. That's good.
There is a certain artist, I don't know whether you know him. It's called Harmonize.
Harmonize.
He's from Tanzania.
Ah, okay.
He sang a song and was like, there is Ugandan water. Have you ever tasted the Ugandan water?
Ugandan water.
Water.
Yes.
Which kind of water? Lake from someone? Which kind of water have you ever tasted? From lake or from someone?
Just from lake. Just from lake. No from others.
Not from someone here.
No.
When this guy play on you, when these girls play on your feeling, like with your feelings.
Yeah. There's a lot of girls. They see the Omuzungu and they think I have money. That's all.
She's which tribe? She's which tribe? Because you said you have one already now. Now you have 3. But you're going to adopt 2, you remain with 1. But which tribe is she? Like among the 3, that one exactly whom we love. Which tribe-
I
which
think
tribe is she?
she's... I don't know. She's not my clan.
She's not your clan.
No, that's the most
But you
important.
don't know tribe. You don't know her tribe.
Try.
Like you don't know her clan.
No. I just know it's not in Sendana, so...
Gwe siiwula tulina gye tugenda.
Oh. Okay. Now as we are winding up, do you love music?
Yes, of course.
Remember, I'm an artist now.
Yeah, you're a big artist.
With time I'm going to be big. It's not too damn big here in Masengere, Uganda. But I want to be big even in Norway. What should I do?
Just continue working.
Oh wow. So
That's it.
oh. So which artist do you like in Uganda?
Maybe Bobby Wine.
Oh,
He has good music.
why do
He has good music. I like the vibe of his music.
Have you ever listened about music, Bobby One music? Have you ever listened about Bobby One's music?
Yeah, just when people play it.
Oh. Any song of Bobby One you know?
I don't know the names.
But you listen and feel it.
Yes, when they play it in the clubs and stuff.
Have you ever take your time and search about Bobby One?
No, not really.
But you just love him because he's an artist.
Yes, it's good music.
You wish to meet him?
Huh?
You wish to meet? You have that kind of feelings of meeting him?
Yeah, that would be fun. It's fun to meet all the big people in Uganda. What do I say?
Huh?
Bobby Wine. We need to meet each other.
Huh?
I want to meet Bobby Wine. Okay, maybe next week one day. If you see me, send me a message and then we'll meet up. Thank you. Webale nyo sebo.
Sanga sajja kabaka awangale.
Sabasaja kabaka awangale.